Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can view your public profile on Snapchat. So select your, again, Bitmoji. Then you are going to scroll down and you're going to select my public profile. Select OK here. And you'll be able to see your public profile. And here's where you can basically add in a story to your public profile. And you can even, I guess, add it to Spotlight. Let's see if I can load this up. Okay, I don't think I can, but these are the insights as well. Total followers, profile views, not a lot on this one either, but you can add more to your public story. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.